Alright, we're headed to the Deals Gap store. And not only is there a Porsche club here this weekend, there's also a shitty ass Pontiac GTO club here. And like I would expect out of a Pontiac owner, of course they don't know how to tune their car. Why would they, right? So I just got behind some of them, and yeah, I think I'm dying of asphyxiation right now. So thanks, GTO Owners Group. This looks really weird with the trees gone. It was so much better with the trees hanging over the roadway. Oh, they dumped a lot of oil in the road. This is so weird. This is my first time through here on this part of 28 with the trees gone. They did the same thing on US 129 south of the Dragon. With the trees hanging over the road, it made this feel like you were running through a tunnel. Groundhog. What a pretty day. Yeah, this is weird. It's so weird. There should be trees all through here. Golly. North Carolina Department of Transportation must have had too much extra money, as they wasted it here. I can see pulling the scraps like that off the side of the road and shipping them, but taking all the trees out, there's not power lines here. Just different. They probably should take this mountain out here and straighten that curve out a little bit. That'd be safer than taking the trees out. I can't tell you how many people have died on that turn. I came through there one day, there was a Harley owner. He hit the side of that mountain. His pudding hole ripped his lower jaw off. He bled out. You're not getting an ambulance here anytime soon. Yeah, this is different, man. All those trees gone. Doesn't even look like they bothered to clean out the ditches, clear up the culverts. But look at all the dead trees laying up there. Why not pull those down and clean it up a little bit? Me and my monster. The 3 videos I've shot today better turn out. I have a feeling they will not. This helmet is insanely loud. And it's not much better with the visor up. With the visor up, I can actually hear the bike though, over the wind noise. They do have the numbers on the road like they're getting ready to pave this. So that will be awesome. Hey, there's Roland on his Goldwing. I'm glad I caught them here. If I'd have caught them 2 miles back, I'd have had to click each one of them off. That's God's biker in front of me. Alright, there it is. World famous Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. Deals Gap Motorcycle Resort. Woohoo.